The experiencer is like a screen, and it is 1/10,000th of a second removed from the reality. Therefore, the ego never experiences what is. It experiences its experience of what is. Therefore, it's not experiencing that which is being recorded, it's experiencing the playback off the tape recorder. You know, in a tape recorder, you can plug it in and hear what was just recorded. So that the ego is experiencing that which was just recorded 1/10,000th of a second ago. Doesn't seem like much, except that the quality changes completely. This side of the 1/10,000th of a second, the trees look like trees. They look like flowers. On the other side of that 1/10,000th of a second, they radiate out divinity. And that gets screened out because the TV station doesn't record those qualities. It records linearity and emotion, like I watch in regular television. Enlightenment is to bypass the experiencer. The experiencer just suddenly goes out like that. It doesn't get weaker and weaker and weaker. It just suddenly out. And then the mind goes silent in awe. Wow. So,